Hello, today I'm going to show you an awesome unboxing video by me for you. Today let me introduce you the SANSI 60 watt LED garage light. 6,000 lumen, super bright as you can see, with E26 LED garage ceiling light with 4 adjustable panels. Deformable 5000K for Kelvin daylight. LED light bulbs for garage, warehouse, and basement, and where you're gonna to install this awesome LED combination. Super bright and better lighting distribution. 60 watt daylight LED garage light has a super bright 6000 lumens output. Each LED chip has a 120 degrees lightning beam angle, ensuring the downwards light is even to the edges, unlike other brands. If you're going to installing at an 8 feet high, it can illuminate an 700 up to 800 feet or square feet areas. Adjustable lighting area. This ceiling light, with its deformable design, each of the panel can be folded up to 90 degrees. We can decide the light direction and adjust the range of the lightning. The 4 ceramic LED panels ensure a widely 360 degrees illuminated area, which will meet our different needs, suitable for garage, barns, warehouse, farmhouse, parking lots, workshops, etc. And 50,000 hours long lifespan. This 6,000 lumen LED workshop light uses the SANSI's patented ceramic heatsink technology and unique hollow design. This highly improves the heat dissipation effectively and prolong this 350 up to 400 watt equivalent LED barn lights lifetime up to 50,000 hours. This is a long range of lifetime. For example, you're using them each day, 10 up to 12 hours each day, and 50 hours are reached after 3 years plus. But if you are going to use this LED beam only for 5 hours each day, what is really possible, then the lifespan is more than 6 years. This is awesome. And of course, the lifespan can reach more and more and more. This is the minimum lifespan of it. So no problem with the lifespan. And it's really easy to install. It's installable as a bulb. Installing this super bright adjustable LED ceiling lights is the same as changing a light bulb. No need for tools, wires, no need for a professional electrician. It's heavy, but no danger of it falling down because it is incredibly secure and tested. It works great in the standard light E26 socket. That's awesome. And on top, if you're buying this device, I think you will get a 5-year warranty. So no problem with that LED garage light. Awesome, isn't it? SANSI. Since its founding in 1993, SANSI has been dedicated to technology and innovation in a wide range of LED applications, from commercial displays to home lighting, They fully integrated product design, production, sales, installation, and custom support in their effort to provide affordable, state-of-the-art LED technology. With over 500 in-house engineers, 2,000 employees, and 3 advanced factories, SANSI possesses a wealth of technical research knowledge, leaps and bounds above that of its nearest competitors. To date, SANSI has applied for 370 plus domestic and foreign patents and currently holds 250 plus approved patents, including 20 plus international patents. It's nice. Nice device and nice brand, as you can hear. You have a deformable design. You can decide the light direction at yourself. This is really easy. The only thing you have to do is rotate the arms. 4 of them are possible in this installation process. And it's really easy to install. It's gonna be installed or attached like a bulb. A standard bulb, rotated out of the socket, this rotated in, job's done. Yeah. And you will get an LED garage light, a User Guardians, a 5-year after-sale protection, and that it is. The only thing you have to install by yourself at home is the socket area. If you have a socket, you can install this big bulb. Oh yeah. And it's for wide applications. Indoor light area lighting, garage, basements, warehouse, barn, workshop, storage rooms, gym, studio, workspace, carports, etc., etc., etc. No problem with it. SANSI patent ceramic heat dissipation technology greatly improved cooling efficiency. Prolonging of lifespan up to 50,000 hours. Hollow housing and hollow bracket form a stable convective heat dissipation channel. And this 60-watt deformable garage light, including the 12 ceramic light sources, can produce up to an incredible 6,000 lumens in output. Evenly distribution, the LED chips and light emitting and angle improved the light utilization, and the deformable design improved the light angle to 360 degrees. Awesome, isn't it? We have an input voltage from 100 to 277 watt. That is international style. You have 60 wattage. 60 watt is not so much because of that high light. The equivalent is 400 watt. Awesome, isn't it? The luminous lux is 6,000 lumen. The color temperature is 5,000 K daylight glow. And you cannot dim it, okay? It's not dimmable. It's not waterproof, IP20, and the 4 level dimensions are 5.7 to 5.7 to 6.5 inches. Oh yeah, that it is. This is a SANSI 60 watt LED garage light with 6,000 lumen, and it's really super bright, as you can see in that video here. With E26 LED garage ceiling light, you're on the right side of the light with 4 adjustable panels, and they are deformable. 5,000 K daylight LED light will get us a shiny and good light up at home, at your garage, at your warehouse, at the basement, at the shop, at where we are going to install that. It's not so good if you're going to use it in your sleeping room because it's so bright, okay? It's in a working area. This is the main thing you can use that product if you like. So that's nice. And thanks for watching. Please subscribe me and give me a positive feedback, and hope to see you again on my channel. Soon.